how to repair RGB LED strip adapter. This is just a simple tutorial video me showing you how you can repair this adapter with simple materials at home. The problem is one broken pin. This is a 2-pin adapter, but it has one broken pin. Here is the broken pin, so I will show you how you can repair this exactly to look as the original one. First, we will need to open the adapter. So to get inside the adapter, so this part is fine, but these are the tools you will need. You will need a cutter, a blade, an old biro pen, and later on we will use a glue gun. So first you will need to get the exact measurement of the black part tube on the biro, just to measure the black part to get the actual measurement. This is the piece that I need for this pin. Then see, it fits perfectly. So after that, I will use a heat shrink tube. I will use it for the black part. After using the shrink tube, I will apply glue on the black part using a glue gun, just as small the upper part. Then I will use the tube. This is the end results. It didn't come well as I expected, but I can work with this. Next, I'm going to put it on the adapter curve. Then I notice this part is broken. I will apply glue on this part. After the glue has already dried up, then I'm going to try if the circuit will fit. It fits perfectly. So for the final verdict, let's try and see if it works. This is my snake rod, so I had to take it off for the video. See, it's working. If you're here and you have not subscribed or follow me, Cedoh Kingdom, please consider subscribing and share, comment. Let me hear your thoughts on the comment section about this video, and maybe if you have another video idea. Thanks for watching.